Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, today we are from the PBL TPL 212. We'll be presented our project entitled Web-Based Recruitment and in collaboration with Eco Green Oil Chemicals. And without further ado, let's get to it. This is our team members. First off, we have Faizan Abil as our UI UX designer and backend developer. And then the second one, we have Karis Akila Ramona as our team leader. And her roles are UI UX designer and backend developer. And the third one, we have Rasha Devya Putri Swasabila as our front end developer. And then we have me, Faisal Kaflubis, as our documentation specialist and backend developer. And the last one, we have Mufti as our business analyst and backend developer. Lanjut, lanjut. Okay, on to the next one, the problem statement. The first problem statement is the data chaos. So currently, our physical documents still lead to disorganized applicant data and several difficulties in searching and filtering candidates. And the second one, inefficient screening. So the HR faces massive still bottlenecks due to slow and the manual short listing and highly fragmented interview scheduling. And the third one is lack of transparency. So the applicants face difficulties in getting real-time information about job vacancies and monitoring their application status. And the fourth one, the HR workload. So the HR departments experience data build up, the recording still got in errors, and challenges in monitoring the overall recruitment cycle. Okay, the next one is proposed solutions. So the conclusion of the problem statement is the proposed solutions. And the first conclusion is the centralized cloud-based database. So basically, the transition completely from physical documents to secure paperless digital repository, and then all applicant data from resumes, portfolios, and forms will be stored in one unified database. And the second one, automated resume parsing and smart scheduling. So the replacement will start listing with a system that automatically scans and parses incoming resumes against predefined job requirements. The third one, interactive candidate dashboard. Um, this one is create a dedicated self-service portal job for seekers to enhance their experience and trust in the company. And the last one, unified HR management dashboard. So the HR management dashboard provide HR professionals with a bird's eye view of the entire recruitment cycle in one intuitive interface, reducing manual data entry and preventing bottlenecks. Okay, on to the next one.
Next, I would like to explain the main feature of application. Our system provides three different user roles. First, applicant, HR, and HR master. The first applicants can view the company profile, can register a new account, can log into the system, can browse available job vacancies, can view jobs vacancy detail, can manage their profile, can upload CVs and supporting documents, can apply for available job vacancies, can view the status of their job application, can withdraw submitted job application, can save job vacancies as a favorite, can request to reschedule interview appointment, can confirm interview attendance, and the last can view requirement notification. The next is a HR. HR can log into the system, can manage job vacancies, can review and shortlist applicants, can review applicant CVs, can schedule interview for applicants, can manage CV templates, can record interview evaluation result, can determine the final recruitment decision. And the last, HR master. HR master can manage HR team accounts, and HR master can view requirement analytic reports. This is application product. The first is a landing page. This is the landing page of our application. Next, about us page. That's a page provides general information about the company. The next is a register page. The new user can create an account of the register page. Applicants are required to enter their personal information, such as their full name, email, and password. The next is a login page. The login page allows registered user to securely access the system using their email and passwords. The next is a vacancies page. The vacancies display all available jobs openings. The another applicant product, that's applicant dashboard. The dashboard after login applicant are redirected to the applicant dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of their recruitment activities. And the next is a applicant profile. That's on the profile page. Applicant can complete and update their personal information that include their nick, full name, gender, and others. The next is our works experience page. That page allow applicant to manage their employment history. They can add, edit, and remove previous work experience. The next is a at works experience page. This page applicant can enter detailed information about their previous job. The next is applicant education. The education page allow applicants to manage their educational background. So applicant can view, update, or delete their education records whenever necessary. And the next is applicants at education. That page applicant can enter their education details, including institution name, degree, file of study, graduate year, and GPA.
Okay, my name is Faiz. I will continue explain what the Kaira explained before at the application product. Okay, specifically at the applicant facing side. First, in the top left image, we have the organization experience page. Here, in here, the applicants can upload or add detail regarding their organizational experience. You can see the input interface for this in the add organization section at the bottom left. Okay, moving on the second section at the bottom center. At the top center, we have the certificate and portfolio page. When the applicant can attach any relevant certificate or portfolio. And at the third, we have the bottom center. In the third, at the bottom center, we have the applicant CV section. In this, we where the applicant can access CV templates prepared by HR to use then applying for the vacancy. Okay, finally, on the far right, we have the applicant status, which allow the applicants to track the status of the application they have submitted before. Okay, next slide. We have the HR side of the application. First, the top left, we have the login page. At the below, we have the main dashboard for the HR. Okay, and next in the top center, we have the HR vacancies for adding new job openings. At the below, we have the HR applicants used to view the last candidates who have the applied. Lastly, on the right, we have the interview page where the HR can schedule interview with the applicants. Okay, in the next slide, we also have a few other HR feature. First, in the HR reports for the reviewing result related to create vacancies. And the second, we have the CV templates and create CV templates, where the HR can manage the template that applicate that the applicant can choose from. And the third, on the right, we have the security page for the managing accounting security, as well as a notification page for the managing in app notification. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Mufti. I will explain the benefits of the products for the company. Creates a faster, transparent, and more efficient recruitment process. Reduces reliance on physical documents and prevents data loss. Centralized database racks for the applicants provides easy, flexible access to job information and eliminates uncertainty by allowing real-time tracking of application status. Next, testing result and validation. Overall result 100% pass rate. All 52 test scenarios successfully produced the expected outputs and handled boundary test. Key validated functions, user authentication and authorization, profile and portfolio management, vacancy and location management, job application tracking and rescheduling, online interview scheduling, selfie upload attendance verification, CV templates customization and requirement analysis and reports. The last one, key conclusion, the result confirm that the recruitment system has satisfied all functional requirements defined in the software requirements specification and all results have achieved or expected output. Okay, I'm Mufti. I will explain the benefits of the products for the company. Credits a faster, transparent, and more efficient recruitment process. Reduces reliance on physical documents and prevents data loss. Centralized database racks for the applicants provides easy, flexible access to job information and eliminates uncertainty by allowing real-time tracking of application status. Next. Testing plan, testing type, black box testing, verify system functionality by comparing actual outputs with the expected result without examining the internal circuit. Testing methods, all 25 functional requirements were tested, including user authentication, profile and CV management, vacancy browsing and posting, job application tracking, interview scheduling and rescheduling, attendance confirmation with the selfie uploader, and requirement analytics. Coverage 52 test scenarios, consisting of both positive test case, valid inputs, and negative test case, invalid inputs, age limit, restriction, salary range validations, duplicate application exceeding application limits, invalid file formats, and unauthorized page access. Validation stage case is considered passed when to actual system behavior match the expected behavior defined in the software requirement specification. Next. Testing result and validation. Overall result 100% pass rate. All 52 test scenarios successfully produced the expected outputs and handled boundary tests. Key validated functions, user authentication and authorization, profile and portfolio management, vacancy and location management, job application tracking and rescheduling, online interview scheduling, selfie upload attendance verification, CV templates customization and requirement analysis and reports. The last one, key conclusion, the result confirm that the recruitment system has satisfied all functional requirements defined in the software requirements specification and all results have achieved or expected output.
On this slide, we like to show how this project relates to the course we've taken. First is statistics. We use what we learned to analyze recruitment data, such as hiring, trend, and candidate selection. So we could design the scoring and data aggregation in our system. Next, introduction to project management. During this project, we divided tasks among our 5 team members, manage the project timeline, use GitHub for version control, and track our progress with Gantt chart and project logbooks. For software engineer design, we created the SKPPL document with 25 functional requirements and designed several UML diagrams, including use case, activity, class, queue, and state machine diagram. This help us plan and develop the system in structured way. Lastly, in data structure, where we use Laravel collection array and associative array to organize and manage applicant data, job vacancies, and other recruitment information efficiently. Next. For object-oriented programming, we built the system using Laravel with the MVC architecture. We also create models, controller, and role-based middleware so that each type of user has the right access to the system. In database programming, we design a relational database with 24 tables. We apply normalization for n key, storage procedure, and database trigger to make sure the data stay accurate and consistent. And for Indonesia language education, we apply academic writing skills when preparing our documentation, including the final report, the SKPPL document, and the testing report. Next. Okay. To conclude, we successfully developed a web-based recruitment system for PT Ecogreen Oleochemicals. The system supports 3 users, applicant, HR recruiters, and HR master. We tested the system with 52 black box test cases, and all of them passed. This means all the system feature work aspect. Overall, our system makes the recruitment process faster, easier, and more organized. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, I think that's all for our presentations today. And I think I will close this presentation with Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And thank you very much for all of you guys' attention. Bye bye.